Hi, this is Alfozia Nihar from At Home Tuition. Welcome to our session today. The topic that we are going to discuss in today's video is problems on some of the angles of a triangle. Okay, let me start with the fact on the angles of any triangle. All the three angles of any triangle would add up to give 180 degrees. We are going to see many examples based on this fact. Particularly, I'd like to take some word problems and explain you the steps to solve them. Here is your example 1. In a triangle, the ratio between the first and second angle is 1:2 and the third angle is 72. Find the first and second angle of the triangle. First, let us take down all the given information. Ratio is 1:2. We do not know the first angle and second angle. So let me assume that the first angle be x. Second angle is 2x. Because the ratio is 1:2 for the first and second angle. We know that the sum of the three angles of a triangle would be equal to 180 degrees. Let me write it as a formula. Now let us just plug in the values for first angle, second angle and third angle in this formula. I'm just replacing all the given information in this formula. Now let us combine the like terms and solve for the x. Like terms on the left side is x plus 2x. Subtract 72 from both the sides. Just divide both the sides by 3. I'm getting x is equal to 36 degrees. So we have got the first angle. First unknown angle is 36 degree. Now let us back substitute x in the second angle 2x. Just replace x by 36. That's it for this example. Hope you are clear with this example. Let us move on to the next example. In a triangle, if the second angle is 3 times the sum of the first angle and 3, and the third angle is the sum of the 2 times of the first angle and 3, find the three angles of a triangle. Okay, as usual, let us assume some variable for the unknown thing. Let x be the first angle. Let us convert the given statement into an expression. Second angle is 3 times the sum of the first angle and 3. Times means product, sum means plus. Sum of first angle and 3 is x plus 3. 3 times means 3 times x plus 3. Same way, the third angle is 2 times the first angle and 3. Please look at the difference between the two given things. 3 times the sum of the first angle and 3 is different from the sum of 2 times the first angle and 3. So you should add these two. Therefore, the third angle would be. Translating the given statement into a correct expression will help you solving all the word problems. So it is always advisable to read the question twice before starting with your solution. Now let us use the fact the sum of the three angles of any triangle would be equal to 180 degrees. Let us just add these three angles. X, 3 times x plus 3, 2x plus 3. Sum of all the three angles should be equal to 180 degrees. Now let me distribute the second expression. 3 times x and 3 times 3. Let us combine all the like terms. X, 3x and 2x will add up to give 6x. 9 plus 3 will add up to give 12. Our goal is to find the value of x, so we should isolate x on the left hand side of the equation. I'm going to shift this positive 12 to the other side by subtracting the 12. Divide both the sides by 6. Therefore, the unknown first angle x would be equal to 28 degrees. Now let us use this x and find the second angle and the third angle. Replace x by 28. 28 plus 3 times 3, that would give you 93 degrees. Same way, replace x by 28 in the third angle too, 2x plus 3. So the third angle would be 2 times 28 plus 3, that is nothing but 59 degrees. Hence the three angles of a triangle are 28 degrees, 93 degrees and 59 degrees. Hope you are clear with this example. Now let's take an example on right triangle. Here is the question. In a right triangle, apart from the right angle, the other two angles are x plus 1 and 2x plus 5. Find the angles of the triangle. We are going to use the same concept, sum of the three angles of a triangle equal to 180 degrees. Since this is a right triangle, one of the angle would be 90 degrees for sure. So the first angle is 90 degrees and the second one is x plus 1 and the third one is 2x plus 5. Now let's add all the like terms. Like terms are x and 2x for variables, and for constants 90, 1 and 5. Subtract 96 from both these sides. Divide both these sides by 3. So we will get x equal to 28 degrees. Hope it makes sense so far. Now we have second and third angle. Let us substitute this x value in x plus 1 and 2x plus 5. So the second angle would be 29 degrees and the third angle would be, hence the angles of a triangle are 90 degree, 29 degree and 61 degree. Hope you are clear with this example. Not all the word problems will be easier for you and the information will be directly given. Let me take few more examples and explain you. Here is one example on the board. If 3 consecutive positive integers be the angles of a triangle, then find the 3 angles of a triangle. Obviously a triangle will have just 3 angles, so let the first angle be some unknown value x. The angles are consecutive, it means one after the other, so just add 1, x plus 1 and x plus 1 plus 1, which is nothing but x plus 2. Now let's use the fact the sum of the 3 angles of any triangle would be equal to 180 degrees. Same way as the previous examples, let us just add these 3 expressions. As usual, combine the like terms and solve for x. By subtracting 3 from both these sides, you will be getting 3x equal to 177. Dividing both these sides by 3, you will be getting x equal to 59 degrees. So our first angle is 59. So second and third would be next two numbers, 60 and 61. You can also just try plugging in. Hence the 3 angles of a triangle in this particular example are 59 degree and 60 degree and 61 degree. So far we were discussing word problems with some information. Now let me take another word problem which uses percentage as the given information. Using that we have to solve for the unknown value. Let me write the question on the board. In a triangle, if the second angle is 10% more than the first angle and the third angle is 20% less than the first angle, then find the 3 angles of the triangle. As usual, I am going to take a variable x. Let x be the first angle. Now let's convert the given statement. Second angle is 20% more than the first angle. So already this angle is 100%. If 20% more means 100 plus 20, which would be equal to 120. So 120% of x. 100 plus 20 is 120 divided by 100. Percentage means divided by 100. So 120 divided by 100 is nothing but 1.2. Of means multiply. So 1.2 times x. Third angle is 20% less than the first angle. Less means subtract. So 100 minus 20 is 80. 100 minus 20 is 80. Percentage means divided by 100. So 80 by 100 is 0.8. Of means products. So 0.8 times x would be 0.8x. We have converted the given statement into an expression. Now let's use the fact the sum of the 3 angles of any triangle equal to 180 degrees. Let's add all the 3 angles we just got. Combine the like terms. 1 plus 1.2 plus 0.8. So this would give 3x. Divide both these sides by 3. So your x would be 180 over 3, which is equal to 60. We got our first angle. Now let's use this x value and find the respective second and third angle. Second angle is 1.2x. Just replace x by 60. So the second angle would be 72 degrees. Third angle is 0.8x. Replace x by 60. Therefore the third angle is 48 degrees. Hence the 3 angles of a triangle in this example are 60 degrees, 72 degrees and 48 degrees. Even you can check just by adding these 3, you should get 180 degrees as the final answer. Hope you are clear with this example. We saw examples with some clues like consecutive integer, sum of this thing, addition, less, like that. And I'm going to take one more example which gives us clue using ratio. Let me pose the question. When the quantities are given in the ratio, you have to use this ratio to assume the variables. For more information on this type of ratio problems, refer our video Hints and Tricks to Solve Ratio and Proportion Problems. Let's get back to this example. The angles of the triangle are in the ratio 2:7:11. Then the three angles would be 2x, 7x and 11x. We know that in any triangle sum of the three angles would be equal to 180 degrees. Add these three angles, combine the like terms, so on the left hand side you'll be getting 20x. Divide both these sides by 20, so your x would be just 9. Using this x value you can easily find the three angles. Just substitute x with 9. These are the three angles. First angle would be 18 degrees. Second angle would be 63 degrees. Third angle would be 99 degrees. Hence the angles of a triangle given in this example are 18 degrees, 63 degrees and 99 degrees. Hope you are clear with all the examples that I have discussed in this video. Always read the question twice and try to convert each and every word into symbols. Finally, just check adding all the three angles, so you should get 180 degrees. Now you can solve the problems on